Hello guys, welcome back to another video here. After downloading the Raspberry Pi operation system into our SD card, now it's time to get our Raspberry Pi up and running. So in this video, I will definitely walk you guys through the steps. It is very simple and easy. All right, let's get it.
Let's start by connecting the power cable, and after the power cable we're going to connect our keyboard. And after connecting the keyboard, to have a stable connection, let's go ahead and connect our Ethernet cable. So it's very important to use an Ethernet cable. So after the Ethernet cable, now the next step will be to connect our HDMI into our monitor, so we can display whatever we the Raspberry Pi. So after connecting the HDMI, now we want to make sure that all our cables are connected perfectly. So now we can turn around, look at look at the Raspberry Pi, and we have everything, of course, plugged in. And do not forget about your SD card. Make sure that your SD card is inserted inside the Raspberry Pi. And now we're good. Now it's time to power on the Raspberry Pi and get everything set up. As you can see, the Raspberry Pi is booting up and we're almost ready to dive in. So once the system is loaded, you will be greeted by the welcome Raspberry Pi screen. And now you got to be patient with it. It depends on what kind of your connection, how fast it goes, but it might take a couple minutes, it might take a couple seconds. So mine is pretty fast. So we already have the welcome to Raspberry Pi desktop right here, desktop. So it's going pretty fast. And from here you want to click on start next, and then it's pretty straightforward. Set it up, nothing crazy. Just when you read it, you will definitely understand what you need. Just click on next, and here you have to set up your location, set up your language, and set up the time zone that you are, and pretty basic setup. So after that, you have to create a username and password and confirm your password and click on next. And after that, I'm connecting with my Ethernet cable, so I don't really need to choose any Wi-Fi, so I'm using my Ethernet cable. And after that, just make sure to create a password, and also it asks you to choose a browser. I'm using the basic, that one is recommended, so you can choose whatever works best for you. And after you choose your browser, just click on next, because it's going to ask you to update the system. And it's will definitely advise you to update it. Just make sure that the system is well updated, and then from there, when the update is done, and it will tell you that the system is done, and you can now just restart the Raspberry Pi. And after starting the Raspberry Pi, here we come to the screen where it shows like the interface, the Raspberry Pi interface. So now let's go ahead and test our browser. And when you open the browser, of course, the Raspberry Pi works.
That's it. We have successfully installed our Raspberry Pi. Is up and running. And thank you guys for being here today with me. And probably next video is going to be how to install some software into the Raspberry Pi. And please, if you guys have any comment, any suggestion, whatever the case may be, please don't hesitate to comment below the video. So thank you guys for being here with me today. Into the next one.